The EziTen Cable Bolt is a mechanically tensioned, high-capacity cable bolt. Pretension is achieved through the EziTen end fitting using a regular bolting machine. No hydraulic tensioner is required. Cable torsion is eliminated through an internal thrust bearing. The benefits of this system are: only one spanner is required for resin mixing and tensioning. EziTen is delivered ready to install. Quick and simple installation into a standard hole diameter with no reaming required. The rock bolt bore hole is drilled as per mine support design, with a typical diameter of 28 mm. The resin capsules are inserted into the hole. If using a 2-speed resin, insert the far set end first. As the bolt is inserted, push the EziTen up until the resin capsule is at the back of the hole. Spin and push at maximum RPM through the resin. When the back of the hole is reached, continue spinning as per resin anchor directions. Hold as per resin anchor guidelines to allow the fast resin to set, then rotate the nut in a right-hand direction to tighten the assembly to the roof. Spin to stall resin installation can also be adopted with the EziTen. The EziTen Cable Bolt is available with plain or indented cable for additional anchoring strength. Standard bolt lengths range from 4 meters to 10 meters. Alternative lengths can be manufactured if required.